Welcome to this Blender tutorial, experimental tutorial. I did not set anything up for you in this tutorial. I just sort of wanted to make a tutorial. All right, let's delete the default plane. And let's shift add in a, what should we add? Taurus? Monkey? Let's add in a circle. You know what? I think I got a plan here. Let's go into edit mode. Let's extrude out. You know what? Select all. Duplicate. Scale out. Select all. Duplicate. Scale out. So we got this. Select all. Extrude. On the Z. Yeah. And let's duplicate that again. Go down, scale out. I kind of messed that up, but I can extrude it. So let's do this. Let's do it again. Oh wait, that's the wrong. I'm not in edit mode anymore. Am I? Oops. Wait, what did I do? No. No. Oh. Okay, go back into edit mode. Shift D. Do it again. Right. So I got this. Made it from some circles, right? Looks pretty cool. First off, let's duplicate it. Duplicate it a couple times. I don't care. You could. Well, no, you don't want to do an array. Maybe scale up a little bit before you duplicate it. Unless I'm too late by saying this, and you're following along. Probably want to smooth it all. Or maybe we won't smooth it. No, just smooth it. So you want to take this. I think maybe they should have a. So I don't know. Arrange them however you want. I have a couple here. Press N, go over here, and let's scale. So insert some keyframes here. Insert keyframes. Insert keyframes. Well, I got 3 of them, right? Yes. All right. Then we want to open the graph editor up. And freestyle tutorial. Press N. Go in here, press N. You're not working. I was pressing M, not N. Go to noise. Let's add some noise. So it just kind of, let's give it some random scaling. Random scaling. And then we'll add in a limiter. Maximum of 3 and a minimum of 1. Same thing. 1, 3. Keep doing it. One, 3. Good job. 2. Change it to 2. Right. Now we want to do the same thing. And if you did it on 1, if you change them all, I'm not sure how you change it, so no, I don't even care. I'm just gonna put this like this. I'm not gonna put any limits on it because I don't care, because I'm cool. Now let's do the same thing so we can do it fast. Because I don't care and I'm cool. Because I don't care and I'm cool. Oh my god, what is this? What are we doing? Oh my god, this is crazy, man. You can't see this anywhere else. Wow, this is a quality tutorial. Let's put an angle. Let's add in a simple deform, go to twist, and add a keyframe on the angle. Wow, you have another thing down here you can add noise to. Let's just add a bunch of noise. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are we doing? Who does that? Okay, let's do it again. We're gonna add a simple deform, but we're gonna do stretch. Add a keyframe on the thingy. Noise on the thingy. Do this. What is going on? What is going on here? You want to go in here and kind of subdivide it a little bit. So on the outside it looks weird. Put another simple form, but we're gonna do bend. We're gonna put this on here. We're just doing weird, you know? This is cool for a music visualizer or something, you know? See that? Look how cool it is. Look. What? What? So simple and easy too. Now change the materials. You know, just do it. Make it darker. I'm just adding stuff. I'm not doing anything special. You know, I'm just cool. Adding stuff. Wow. Wow, how cool am I? I did stuff today. Whoa. Whoa. How sweet it is to make a crazy animation. Whoa. What are we doing here? You know what you could do? Is put an eye in the middle, right? You put an eye in the middle. And then it just... I'm all about automation, you know? I just want this to do... I just want to click buttons and do crazy stuff. And that's what we did. Now, add no background. Now, I mean, you know, you can always tweak this. This is just an experimental tutorial. Not really supposed to be anything that great. But no, it's a really cool animation. You bloom it a little. Maybe not so much. Bloom it red. I don't know. Bloom it blue. Ooh, that looks cool. Like that? You like that? That looks cool. I think it's cool. And then you know what you can also do? See, is maybe add. So take this and duplicate it and scale it down a little. Maybe move it up so it's exposed a little bit. And then add a new material to that. And then call that emission and make that blue. See, so now, see now it gives it a little bit more. So it's like, but see, if you want to move it right, like maybe like right there and maybe over. See how it like gives it just a little bit of a shade there, and see how you can't really see this one? Do the same thing. Move it up, move it down, but up a little, so it hits right over the top of it. See? And then do the same thing. Move it up, and then move it down. So it's like it's just hitting. You can just see a little bit. See? Well, you might want to move this one's a little bit different, but you might want to actually kind of. But no, I mean, look at that. See, that's cool. But and you can do other shader effects. But this is pretty awesome. And then if you take this and if you have a song, so this is a really cool little thing you can do, you know. So you take this and well, maybe I don't know if you want to do this on the simple deform, but if you go to bake to F curves, where is that? Bake to sound to F curves. So you go to the graph editor, go to key, bake sound to F curves. And if you have a beat, I make beats, so I have a bunch of beats. Let's do this one. I don't really know how this is gonna. I don't really know if this is. I don't really know if it did it or not. But. Oh no, because it has the noise on it. But see, it's doing it. It's just, you can't. I don't have the beat in the program, but it baked it. So it would kind of go with the beat, but you can bake the sound to different things right here. So you put keyframe on anything, you can bake the sound to it. So if I went to the color and I put a keyframe, and then I went back to the graph editor, make sure you have the material selected, and then you can click on one of the values and then bake this sound to F. Now you probably want to be on the frame 0 if you're going to make it a visualizer. Bake sound to F curves. I don't know if that's, but it will. I don't know. It's weird. It seems like it's actually. It doesn't really seem like it's changing too much with the song, and I'm not really sure. But if you look how it's kind of flickering, and maybe you need to change the rest of them too. I know what I can do. So if I added a color ramp in instead, and made this blue, made this that blue, HLV far. So this is just an experimental tutorial though, so so I mean it just goes to show just what cool results you can get just that fast, you know. And sorry, I'm just kind of just playing around now, but it doesn't really seem like it's really changing it a lot. But what you can do is go to far and click on the position, and then bake that. Which may not give you good results. But if you add a limiter on there, it'll just kind of. But I mean, if you really wanted to, you could just add some noise, which is cool too. Oh, not that one, this one. So that will randomly change the color. But if you choose this one, put the noise on. That's just moving this back and forth. But you can add a limiter, like I said, and that will make it so it's either 1 or it's 0, or the max. So if you crank this, it'll make it so the max is like, it doesn't have a waves. It's just 1 or 0. So I don't know. And then, you know, this, you can just change this over time too. However you want to do it. It just gives you different effects. Just different color effects. I mean, I could do some, like, if I was going to make this, because I could make this into the colors are kind of bright on it, like kind of too dense for my taste. But I mean, if you just take it all, but see, you can do different combinations with these deforms, which is cool. And then you can do it like that. So there's 2 of them now, you know. And then do it again. See that now it's like a star. See, now you're getting cool a different cool, see, that's like a star effect, and that's cool. It looks like a fucking swastika or whatever. Yeah, but and then you can do it again. You know, you can just keep doing it, and then you can make different combinations. You know, just really, it's, you know, the sky's the limit on it. And if you make different ones, say you make a different one, and this, some of these parts don't look very good in it, like the color's not bright enough. I think partly because of that, but that might be too bright. But, you know, and you can add different materials, you can, you know, whatever. And also, if you mix this emission, mix the emission with the transparent, then it will make it, you know, like, it'll give it another effect. But it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool way to get some results. This is definitely like kaleidoscope or whatever type shit. This is definitely a starting point for kaleidoscope shit. You know, and then, I mean, so there's that. So that looks even cool. That looks cool too. Just that, with that transparent on there, because it gives it more shades and stuff. And then of course you can put textures into this, or, you know, make the metal more fancier with bump map. And so that was just a random tutorial. I was actually experimenting with some of this stuff, and I was coming up with some cool results. Now the colors that I have here, probably, you know, this green is kind of, I don't really like the green. You know, I don't know. You could just make it one color and change throughout. You could do whatever you want, really. You know, you could make this glass. You can even make this glass instead of emission, or, you know, have a different lighting setup. You know, pretty self-explanatory, really. But if you you can put a noise on this too. Look at how much crap I have now, because I duplicated them so many times. Yeah, this limits is useful. So that will make it, that'll make it disappear and come back a transparent. So it's like so that's a cool effect. Now, how long is this tutorial? Probably too long. 18 minutes. Okay, yeah, I'm cutting this tutorial off, but that's how to make a cool experimental stuff.